Welcome back to my YouTube channel A4iTech. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can see what all information Google stores about you, and second, and what kind of information does it knows about you, and how you can delete those data from the Google server. So guys, now I'm going to give you an example in which you will come to know that how it stores all kind of information about you. Suppose you begin your day, and in case you're going to office, so Google knows your location, your starting location, and how much time will you take to reach your office, and how much time you're sitting in office. And another example I can say that how much time do you spend on a web search, what kind of searches you do in using Google, what kind of YouTube searches you do. Suppose everybody loves shopping, so you search for some dresses in Google, so Google stores that's also that kind of information also. It also stores your voice search, what movie you're watching, and how much time you're spending in a particular location. So basically Google is using all kinds of information to just show a relevant ad which is interesting for you. So Google stores all kinds of this information in Google history in the form of cookies. So the Google takes those cookies to update its all kind of data about you. So in this video I will tell you how you can delete those data and how you can see those data. So let's get started.
So guys, to see what all information Google stores about you, just go to this website myactivity.google.com and sign in with your Gmail account. So I have already signed in with my Gmail account. So once you log in, you will be able to see a dashboard like this. So here it stores all kinds of information about you, like what all you did on Android, what all search you did on Chrome, your voice and everything. So let's click on Android. So once you click on Android, it will show you what all apps you used. Like I used Motorola camera, at what time I have used. It will just go to the YouTube. You just show at what time I have used YouTube, at what times. So such information it stores. You can see it is showing at what time, what app I have used. Now I will go to the voice and audio. It will show what all voice searches I have made. So here I am playing one voice search which I have used.
Now, what is the time now?
So it also stores your voice searches. So Google stores all this information based on date. So this is the what all I did on my phone for today. If you go down, you just show what all things I did on yesterday, everything regarding Chrome, what I searched on Chrome, and all information. What all searches I made, like which I am showing right now. So if you go to this other Google activity, here it will show you the location history. Where do you visit, at what time you visit, everything. So just click on visit timeline. So this is the way Google tracks you at every location. If you click on today, it will show you where I went, at what time went, what is the distance between and everything, like I started at what time and what is my destination. So it stores all your location. Go to this device information, it will show your device information over here. So let's move to the activity control. I click on activity control. So from here you can disable whatever you don't want Google to store about you, like location history, your searches. Suppose if you don't want Google to store your search history and your location, you can turn it off from here. Just click over here, it will turn off. Now Google won't store your data. You can click on pause. So from here Google won't store your searches and everything. From here you can disable your location history. From here the device information, and from here you can disable your voice searches. So if you disable this, the Google won't store your voice searches. From here you can disable the YouTube search history. So guys, if you disable the Google apps won't work properly. So it's better to enable all these things so that it can provide you a good source of information. Now I'm going to show you how you can delete those records. So to delete the record, just go to the delete activity by. So from here you can delete whatever data you want. Suppose if I would like to delete my all the information which I have used today, so just click on this today and then delete. It will delete all the record. And if you just click on this today, you can find what all at what time, at what days, from what time you want to delete your records. If you click on all time, it will delete the entire records which Google is using now. I'm not going to delete now. So basically Google stores every data of yours over here. You can see all kinds of your data and you can manipulate all the data. You can see how it saves your Google app search, what all things you do.
So I hope guys, after watching this video, you will be able to see what kind of information Google knows about you and how you can manipulate those data. So guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel to stay updated with the more such videos. So thanks for watching. Enjoy.